Despite the fact that Suzuki names it reduced hybrid, the Ignis is a lot more limited than the subcompact-sized Hyundai Kona. In any case, the Japanese automaker is onto something. All things considered, the Ignis has no contenders with a similar impression. Restored 5 years back at the Tokyo Motor Show, the little utility vehicle has gotten a merited update in Europe as new tones, another transmission, more standard highlights, and an upgraded half-and-half powertrain. We should begin with the last mentioned, will we? Suzuki is alluding to the 1.2-liter Dualjet normally suction 4-chamber motor, and 12 volts app, and a lithium-particle battery with 10 Ah contrasted, with a pass rating of 3 Ah. The gentle crossover stuff comes kindness of a belt-driven starter generator framework, intended to help the powerplant during takeoff and increasing speed. As you may expect, power is produced through regenerative slowing down. Probably, the ISG puts out 2.3 kilowatts, 3 drive, and a fairly good force rating of 50 Nm, 37 pound-feet. All trim levels for the UK market highlight this motor with mellow half-and-half help, and the suction level trim commences at £13,999 real, with front-wheel drive and a manual transmission. On the styling front, the Ignis highlights a revived grille in advance, and updated guards with trapezoid molded slider under enhancements.